Hey guys, today I am trying to put some paver stones into the garden as well as get some sand laid to even it out. Here we are, I've got the base started. This area floods with all that, so over time I'll be doing levels. But I've got a landscape fabric that's from the flooding, so I kind of want to see if I can't block this area off and see about getting it somewhat level. So I probably figured I'd do a time lapse of me getting that installed. Whew. Pretty sure I just sweat about 10 pounds out. Alrighty, so here she is. She looks nice and clean. Now, I do love it, but I think I am going to eventually, I'm going to keep these for a little bit, but I think I want to get rid of these big pavers, those stick pavers, and get these thinner, flatter, bigger ones. I probably should have buried those in the sand while I was placing it, but I mean, fun little mistake. So learn from my mistake, either put those in the ground or just kind of plan to have these. These look nice sitting on top. Those are a little too high, but like I said, I'm probably just gonna let them live there for a little bit, and then I'm not gonna waste them. I'm probably just gonna use them to separate my beds with this. Now this is 4 inches high, and that is closed in there. It's just a brick on the inside with sand on the other, but I'm gonna eventually cut a piece. Of course, I got to get the right tools. But I think I'm just gonna use these bricks to separate out. My plan for next year is I want to have 2 8-foot by 4-foot beds right here, and those will become my tomato beds, while these will have my more shorter jalapenos, peppers, pumpkins, onions, all that fun stuff. And then eventually I think I want either a greenhouse right here or right there with, I hadn't decided yet if I want to do 8-foot beds or just do long row skinny beds where I can do like onions and green beans and stuff like that. But that is that. That's trail. This is trail. And this is creek. And come here. This is our feisty little river. They all wanted to say hello. Well, that is my project today. Now it's time to go finish watering the rest of our flower gardens and then get ready for work. But I hope you liked today's video. I really do like the way it turned out. It's so pretty. I just can't wait. I can't wait to see the garden blooming with fruit and growth and all the things that come with it. But until next time, y'all have a good one.